Hi there! Today, I'd like to discuss how to disable chat in docs, sheets, slides, and drawings using xFanatical Safe Doc. Google Docs Editor's chat feature allows users collaborating in real time to communicate directly within docs, sheets, slides, and drawings. While this can facilitate teamwork, it can also lead to distractions or off-topic conversations in educational settings, where focused collaboration is crucial. This is where xFanatical's Safe Doc tool becomes essential. By enabling the block in-file chat policy, you can disable the chat feature in Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drawings. Once this policy is activated, the chat option disappears from the toolbar, preventing students from using the feature during group work. This ensures students stay focused on their task and enhances productivity in classroom settings. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Doc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the block in-file chat policy and setting the value to true, you can disable chat in docs, sheets, slides, and drawings easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.